You know that feeling when it's late at night? You're trying to take your mind off your diet that you've been really good about following, but what you really want is, screw it, we're making. Welcome. I don't have much in the fridge, and I'm out of bacon, but I'm craving an egg sandwich. While I was rifling around in there, I found some leftover porchetta that I made for an upcoming episode. Spoiler alert. So I'm gonna doctor it into something that has a little bit more of a bacony vibe. I'm gonna pair that with some nice eggs, an English muffin, and some Japanese mayo. All right, getting started. I'm gonna get a little olive oil into a pan and get a slice of this leftover porchetta in. Porchetta is basically a slow roasted, rolled up pork belly stuffed with herbs like rosemary, fennel, thyme, and garlic. A pork chop could also work, or anything you want really. It's already cooked, but I'm gonna crisp it up a little further and create a maple-bourbon glaze, which starts with some maple syrup, and some bourbon, if you're less of a pyromaniac, you can use a larger pan or a smaller burner so the flame doesn't creep up into it. But I'm known to frequent a late night flambe. And I'm gonna add some red wine vinegar to cut the sweetness just a bit. Make sure you're fully coated, and we're 1/3 of the way there. I'm using a light layer of mayo to toast this English muffin. You can use butter too, but it's less spreadable, and I'm kind of in a hurry to get back to my book. Once you reach your desired color, pull them out and you'll be in the home stretch. Time to fry up some eggs. In a non-stick pan, I'm using some avocado oil and some butter. I find the oil helps prevent the butter from burning at higher temperatures. Crack in 2 eggs. I like to keep them moving around in the pan a bit out of habit, but it's non-stick, so it's probably not that necessary. Once the whites are set, I'm gonna pop the yolks. I want them to set just a tiny bit so they're not dripping down my face while I'm reading my book. Now's a good time to hit them with some salt and pepper. Get them onto a paper towel to drain some of the excess oil. Assembly time. I'm going down with some of the Japanese mayo. Then I'm going to get some of our porchetta on. And finally, our eggs. Close her up, and there it is. I'll leave a petition down below for McDonald's to add this to the lineup. All right, let's see how we did. Oh yeah. It's time to get back to my book. I'll see you guys later.